Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, let's talk on how to upload longer videos to your Instagram story. First things first, have an Instagram account. Make sure that your Instagram app is updated. You'll see here update word if your Instagram app is not updated. So now let's open our Instagram app. To upload longer videos, simply swipe to the right, then click this album icon, then choose your video. So as you see, we have here a 2 minutes video. So let's gonna select this, then continue to share, then click done. And of course, wait for a minute to upload your video. And here it goes. We're just uploaded longer video. Alright? So if you found this video helpful, please like this video, click subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos.